I guess my main message, if you're in a business and you want to connect more with cruise passengers in the growing industry in Scotland, is to stay in touch with the people who are actually in touch with the cruise business on a day-to-day basis. And right now, most of those people are in your local harbour. We invest an awful lot of money in promoting Scotland as a cruise destination. We travel to various trade shows several times a year. We're in constant touch with cruise executives, and we are a font of information about the ins and outs of what is basically a black art. So do get in touch with your local harbour, find the person who is the cruise person at the pier, or at the harbour, and you will learn an awful lot of information.
My top tips for retailers are find out the schedule, find out when the ships are coming in. You can do that online, or you can speak to your ground handlers, keep in constant communication with them, and they will give you the most up-to-date information. Put a poster in your shop window, put it outside, just offer 10% off or a special discount for all cruise passengers. Find out the name of the ship that's in that day and put that name in the window. They will love that. So personalisation is key, and that's inside the shop too, when you're serving them, when you're talking to them, engaging with them. So on board, all the crew know the passengers' names, even their first names. That's how personal it is, and that's the expectation that you can meet in store. So you don't need to know their names, but you need to give them a 5-star experience, and they'll remember you and hopefully spend more money with you because you've given them a genuine welcome.
Be proactive and speak to us, speak to the ground handlers, and we can work together to put forward a package that will be attractive to the cruise passenger. It's something we've done before, and sometimes we'll put in other aspects that will make it an attractive tour that will sell well. And it's important that we know you exist and that you're able to, what you're able to provide for us.